Ideal replacement. This engine coolant thermostat housing directly replaces the original housing on specified vehicle years, makes and models. Durable construction. This part is specifically designed to withstand extreme temperature changes and resist cracking and leaking. Cost-effective and reliable, offers original manufacturer quality at lower cost than getting replacement at dealer. Industry-leading design, professionally engineered by the aftermarket leader in replacement thermostat housings. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the money. Better than OEM. Bought this for my ZJ95 Jeep. I was very happy with this purchase. First pic shows the coolant housing before I painted it. Looks good, but I decided to paint mine. Second and third pics shows comparison to my original OEM pulled off my Jeep. I am happy with quality and how it is made, same as OEM, except I did notice in the second pic that the large opening is slightly different but possibly better as well. Last picture shows completed install. I am very satisfied with this. No leaks, no imperfections, no defects, no cracks, clean, and easy install with the proper knowledge to do so. Highly recommend this to all and saved me time from cleaning up my old one.